Dusty. First blood.
So is using that chartreuse bag.
Yeah.
A few eggs going on me, so I switched up. First drip with the purple or pink. Smashed it.
Not a big fish, but loving the field. I'm trying, buddy, I'm trying. Holy fuck. Oh, gone. Oh for 1. There's one. Little guy. Yeah, good thinking. Chrome in the net. Let's have a look-ski.
Still filming. 45 minutes. 1 for 2. Fish on.
Yep. Thanks, brother. Okay, so Timmy's got a golf ball sized piece of skein on there, bobbered down right under the bridge. The best of the 3 fish I've hooked so far.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's Dusty. How many is this you've hooked? This is Dusty's 5th fish, but he hasn't landed any yet, so we're really hoping this is going to be 1 for 5. I'm 4 for 6. We're having a good time though. And it's a big fish. I told Dusty he loses it, he's walking home.
Woo! Kind of tail it going backwards here, isn't it? Nice. Dusty's on the. Oh, nice fish, dude. That is. Oh, that's a nice fish, dude. Ooh, good hold on. 1. Yeah. And good. Woohoo! Put her there, partner. Nice job.
changed locations. We're over there. Now we're here. we had a chat with this guy. I guess he got into it with skiing, man. Pulled some scissors on him. Almost came to blows. A little bit of fucking drama on the river.
And our consensual fight.
Yeah. So we're still 4 for 6, 1 for 5.
1 for 5.
Everybody else is doing.
Oh, sure you are.
Yeah. Jeez. Oh, jeez.
Oh,
Yeah.
geez.
Everybody's doing pretty good, but us.
She's been a tough gopher for us there.
Yeah, you know.
Real good gopher, yeah.
Yeah.
They got lucky. We've been giving her all.
It's been a real tough slugging.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, jeez.
Oh,
Anyway, so we're gonna drink these Molson products here and duty free, you know.
duty free there.
Yeah, and then we're gonna hook some chrome. That's what we're gonna do.
Yeah, we'll get back at you there with a couple of numbers.
Oh, all right then.